सवाल बात बात तालिबान एक नहीं तीन चार बार हजार बार मेरे सामने भिखारी ये वो सियारी जिसने मारा मारा आधा मारा छोड़ दिया जग का सारा है गवारा दिखा तो हो से लेकिन उस रात you would never be It's so good and yellow, I'm the guy in the hell. So let me be the devil, let me tell out the hell, no, I jump. I said, look to the front, I let go and jump, make it say, go to the road, but I was turn the page and then I wipe some more. If I fall down, they get up and I fight straight out of the food. They bottle the booze, the duke is back to the mood. Yeah, let it the bad, but fucking right. Battle with me, I got a rebel in me, I got a rebel in me, and with the G-Jaggers, huh? Who is the G-Jaggers? What? Who? Come on, the G-Jaggers, what? Who? Is a G-Jackal, G-A got a lot of my mind I got a lot of the law Me, I'm in yellow, the life when they tell the wrongs Eyes on the
Contestant number 2, please come to the mic. So, ma'am Tumtariba, she has chosen your name, so please ask the question.
Hello, Yamato. Hello, ma'am. I hope you can hear me.
Yes, I can hear.
Are you nervous? No? Don't be. Okay, my question to you is, do you support CAA, which is Citizen Amendment Act? If yes, why? If no, why?
No, definitely not. My answer will be always no, because it will definitely. So our note is, so it will be definitely cause our Arunachal Pradesh. So I definitely will say no. My answer will be always no. Thank you.
Contestant number 3.
Yes, hello. Yes, do you have wife? No, hello, wife. Hene?
Okay, so what do you think is the role of youth towards protecting Pakke Tiger Reserve?
Can you repeat the question, ma'am?
Yes, sure. What do you think is the role of youth towards protecting Pakke Tiger Reserve?
As we all know that in Arunachal Pradesh is the only first of all is only of first hornbill sanctuary in India. As a youth, we should promote, as an intellectual and as a educated persons, as we all youth should be promoted our nature resources, to conserve the nature resources. Because
say girl, strutting long hair, no nails, and my hips to spread. Ooh girl, I've been working all night, but I ain't break no sweat. And I pop like a bottle, and I walk like a model. Every time that I post, $1 million in your CC, come step back, you should let it in. On my skin, give it cinnamon, melanin.